This year I had a major problem with crabgrass. When should I apply crabgrass preventer to my lawn? And this is Steve.
Yeah, we have everybody with crabgrass and everything in there. Yeah. And so crabgrass, normal time when you got you soil it off some kind of way, not healthy, you have, and weeds are growing unhealthy soil. Sometimes you need to get that soil tested, not the pH and everything. But to put a pre-emerge down, you might do that in the fall of the year. Then come back again in the spring and you put a pre-emerge down. Like I said, you need to be activated in with the rainwater irrigation. And you want to cover it in both ways. So put 25 pounds or 50 pounds down, do half one way and half the other way and get a good coverage on there.
Crabgrass can be a problem.
Yeah,
if it were not for crabgrass, I wouldn't have a lawn.
Oh, don't say that,
A pre-emerge is something that you can use, of course. Trifluralin is something that you can use as a pre-emerge. As a post-emerge, quinclorac is something that you can use. Read and follow the label on those. You want to make sure you get good coverage when you're using those. Crabgrass likes conditions, right, that are compact. So it likes compact soils and soils that are poorly drained. Yes, that's what I have in my lawn. So again, make sure that you're following and reading the label. You can control crabgrass.
Yeah, I don't like that crabgrass. I don't like no weeds in my yard though, man. I just can't have that weed in there. I go and put that weed out there, every time I see him in there and stuff in there. I try to get all the root system out when you do that.
Right, please do. Crabgrass is pretty tough.
Pretty tough.
Thanks for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed. To subscribe, click below.